me will be a baba OB4GATV. The name still remain over for back up there. And then my memory saying they were adding evangelist Steve. Evangelist Steve. Old time friend. And Auntie Ache. And then your couple also to me as our friend. And you hear people with good reputation. By platforms, so normally good name have a to make OB4GATV a better place to be. Reverend, you know about OB4GATV.
Maybe also
I want to say,
I rather young
who watch it? And then some dear, from course, a dear quality to that.
You make it here for
volume,
make it here for the 2 for young copancy. Say, or dear Babacan, say, for your mama.
Yes.
A better BBS, will subscribe OB4GATV, you know. The running and cook over and a woman so I am the beer, let's not have you. They come sharp, a running number so I say, get 2 months or more, almost all muti. It's met your BBR.
It's met your BBR, the analysis on top, and then trendy issues in Kwan, but a topic near the door. You need a person or a good reputation. Said a bay or Becassa in a balanced way, said a bay and say, yeah, in a way, be said, yeah, passion. Yes, as a man, know the kind of lady or a woman you sleep with.
Oh,
Bema was so,
sir.
Or Bema was so. Bah, I was on in it. That's a reverend, no bad idea, I was on in it.
Over for M. Say,
who's the volume? No, so yes, I'm a message.
Over for M. Say, the Okano and Greg.
Yes,
we are snail on Bibu,
yes,
and internet my die to your room.
Yes,
And Uncle says, Bibi and Noah, over for the order, Yao now. So, Christo. So we are reverend.
yeah,
A human away and a reverend.
Reverend Juma.
It is a Bibi New Year. Would you Yao now? Now, dear da. Nipabiano, a running uncle Pondy, and the shame.
Yes,
A unique.
yes,
Dear Mammy Warren. Obi would be, dear old Mimi Nibi.
yes,
Sound sooner, or yet the man and ma.
yes,
Or Babian and identity, or Babian and a spirit. A crown. It is a wee a bema. Nasa Okakofa or bar. Nasa one shed, whom they put a woo beman. No one could fat or no bar. Now, what is
so mate?
so mate?
Yes, that's a son. The mate,
That is it.
taxi driver need be a car, open mate or by the Sika man.
Now, Fumo Kutawi say Okofa techno L6 battery at the shell infinite man, a bayaduma.
And so,
And no cry your phone, also.
yes,
It's a real senior one. Say we Bema or Bar Sabi who didn't be blood damn. Say, when in a quack where you Jumedia be our free say,
Jumedia,
a babet in your free mabba.
aha,
A castle win ye. If you say, I won't know where we are seven.
yes,
Almost so over. Omo to say, Yankopon man, yes, we are one. Pepe. Iti, Burma beer a running Yankopon to you also. Sabi, and you're so from one. And then Yankopon to me a day.
I want
So. If you say, when God create Adam no, not on your sofa.
yes,
What are some nas?
not yes,
Adam is or a single being. Or any papa, one Yankopon fan so at the other side, no, a day.
a
Buy. And until 2 me now, or the man Adam no.
yes,
And no, or in party be at the man if. What are some nas? And you will Adam and Itiano or status or a day or Bob Banabaso. Abaso, what do you know the man or ban? No, the boy Yankopon.
and me better than the back.
Sanity.
Yes,
It is a one here. Obeka say, oh, not Adam. Bo or Banabaso. Oh, where the way or bow, where me don't pay, where there is not all sing and put on some money.
or send a man some money.
Sanity. If you say Adam who say, Yankopon iron Akuma swat the other day.
Aman,
Amano.
yes,
One man in his soulmates.
yes,
What has some say? It just said, so we are Burma, Nessa, a Babia Obesiana Bontin, say ne color ene sabe ne to anaso say de kuta round face ene ade na sa wo de ne kodem a woni beti na wo de sie woni beti no na wo cemetery
na yes person say e mani bi wa kuta o mo na nya papa
we ase ye we ye wa hu mienu na wa asase so
yes
ye wo tumfo nyankopon tumi
yes
ene ye wo bonsam tumi
yes
edi bisa ho se die nyankopon tumi ye no bonsam tumi no so ye ho ye de
ana so you duplicate the
why you duplicate
sala no before GT and Reverend Steve and Evangelist Steve leading common and then common more the part so media say subscribe to the channel or before GT said if you are done down you the to one answer account your phone so cool na Reverend you come because in common na more messages that starting flow I was all
uko Israel according to Jerusalem 2 Kings chapter 2 verse number 5 going se ukan a ohimi bia na odi ade na wo mfie mwotwe efa Josiah what does someone say
yes
obu Israel man no e ma eso nyankopon ani
yes
iti edru ba bia Helikaya ekoye bibi bisi wo sa ahindie no no
yes
Josiah no commande sa peni ni se onko no konko bisa otumfo nyankopon se dia bani o na dia ne bebo omo so Ewurade nyankopon ka kire sa Helikaya ne se onko prophetess bi ho
yes
what does someone say na ono so konko ye dai onko ko hwe revelation every sa oba no na okoye no oba ne ka kire Helikaya se onko ka kire Joshua se Ewurade nyankopon se bra ono no tiase ne de on se no na emo wu pa
bra ono no prophet ne tiase na se oba
ono no Josiah ne tiase ne de Ewurade nyankopon fa distraction bi anye dai achi se ono ne ye dai
efiri ho
tubu what does someone say when it say spirit and ekuta Josiah no Ewurade nyankopon ye ne bone a
enye yi
me da se
next say obu ho ha wo ye bone kura Ewurade ntimi
that is the point yes ti say ofiri ho
yes
I want to so
internet it bounce back to say when you are getting into a relationship and now so no be quite say my bible me dey hu say tani pa we no o ye me soulmate enye say o do hu na no ho ofedi a opega na kotom paso na ha ko bi se when be ba so no abrabo and a member be bring akọ into relationship amoma brabo ase a member be bring akọ into relationship amoma wa o ma brabo bi bia ya basa o maduma gu on relationship with the family ni na break just because of oba and I'm advising you and it goes back to say a man should be brave so into relationship amoma lose reputations amoma lose focus amoma family clarity too just because of them. And when you're going into a relationship, you know the kind of person you associate yourself with. How can you know that this person is the right person?
Yo, yeah. Debi ya mikase. Ewurade nyankopon. Menya san. Esuche wiase, suche po.
Yes. Because he is supreme.
If you say open bibie mu no, ye ni pampo no. Yetimi ekodu ye nyanko nipa. But what has someone say? Say, Obi Waha, Obi for GTV. You are dear wompe.
Yes.
Be Waha wompe fufu.
Yes. Obi Sum Bambisi.
Medase,
Sume Yadambisi.
Medase. And so, Obequaco for baby, not only fufu.
Yes.
And so when you not have the answer for Yam.
Yes.
A dear.
Set money in Hamon Bufu.
What has someone say? Na fani say e ade a ono no pefufuo na say wo bi foji TV wo so no wo mpa wo bendai
say obaga say nipa no da bia o create inconvenience ma o ya de o ma adwene mu no bebere na aka say high force obi kura timi force so say bi
e ho kakra no kura no kire say knowing the kind of woman you will sleep with.
Yes.
What does someone say? And yes, I want to go there and where you. What does someone say? At the moment I want to ban never pack down, wouldn't any physical contact and spiritual contact.
Yes.
What does someone say? Say, wouldn't you go there? Nessa would jam life money pa. Say, Obano, a book with young money be. Now I catch and say, Oba, sisi honhom ya wanyan pebema na fa kwose na wo hwe aman na wo kwa kwose oh you are
wow
what you na say iti emema programs bebre na ya okay no sometimes aya na frisa na ma no ene emma programs aya na timi beda ma bi so ni ade e ko kire bebre bebu ni pa aya na bebre ni frisa na ma no ba bi wo ho a woni se be ba metu anamo a won hwe in spiritually and if just say on fanya nkopon se me fam bam kura
on fanya nkopon se me fam bam kura de ne still no before GTV reverend yes see in life ajaguraja prophet meaning so a prophet so evangelist so ya de me de meaning the title be can say no social media
prophet evangelist na sa
fufu job say job budget to say or be can say on social media say or bia remember bia you very careful with man breast say you nya nufu no hwe no bia no man nufu because a man did a poison e kugu man nufu no mo de kum the mema be brumu ni nyina e true sadia so na ya
hwe reverend woni ma de go de bia me from reverend no
nim de nti
if you say we are church ni ana church ni bia no we are rabbi enye se wo fa twrosem nko aka nyame asem a ana kire se wo ye awurade aduma
yes
se wo po mo obi aduane ma ne di a wa ye aduma ma Kristo
yes
wo so wo ye nyakopo nipa
yes
hwe there we are make us say ade a me Reverend Steve an evangelist men fa mani nya de ehu a me gidie eye Yesu Kristo wu so ale
yes
what does that mean? Christo ni bia nyese wo de wadwe criticize bibi.
Yes.
Huh? Don't forget to say Bible si mama ni nyina mama nyini. It is see mama ni nyina mama nyini ewai.
Ewai. Obia ade no obia ye na so ofefi.
Obia ye na de se o scrutinize. Eh yem fifi mu. E de na dwene. Eh suspect.
Is asem na
me ba ho. How can there? She bibia kwakoye suspect.
Yes.
Emu asofofo nyina de beka bia ye suspicious. But suspicious no intimate targeting the need of the work of God. Because Bible na da one and you suspicious. And you clear things. And then you see clear message.
Yes.
Clear inventor. And you fact happening in this earth. It is a way a jumana. And you say we idea. And you clear and you fact. Right? Obi to make us say inshirani di o ni ma wa dai. Waje di. Anya sase su ha de o. Eye Bible mu de e. Na wonnim na wugidi a wo be dan. Ubenya nshira. Sanet here. Because the what trosem no na ma nkwa. It is a wo the what trosem no na say wo wugidi a eno na nkwa je be dan. Eba ma wo nipa no. But anya sase su de e. Say the one for when you yes, OB for GTV. I should be asotro. Na me Reverend Steve Meneho. Good. Yes. That is the fake man of God.
But wait.
President na nyaminipa.
Yes.
Would make us say, "O emane di adro." E de ye o manufu.
Ntu ko no ma.
Enti me ma no ma. Na tell say a dalutu omo.
Obewu.
Na tell say wawu. Na e ka dalutu e tell say
me ma nu bebre no mu. Enufo no mo no
ayesamo
ade na ye ya na me bisa mo se enye education wrong education
me ba sa point no so me pesa etiefo ne clear e wa asem na me pesa mekanim what does am na say na eside mpo na sa asem ne free ni pa ne numba
nim se wakono bi down
ay ade bi make say ay brand
aso mo pe hype this
it's clear and yes mo pe they need hype. I am blind because in my way no. Say o pese wo gidi pa. O before you say me pese me gidi pa. Ni nyina ne say ma hwe wasotro.
Reverend Evangelist
Steve Ashma sotro.
Ashma for CEO na.
Steve Ashma sotro. Na we frame me. Na evangelist ne ba ne say na. Wa o pani anipa o hwe na.
Let's say Ghanaians say bebre na pe nkwasi asem.
E tire say eya dia Ghana ebeduru baabi no ye di twa Ghana mfunuma
ebinum pe
what's your minimum pay?
Because this is educational one. A bit pay. Because my upload do HIV tips from I don't know.
Ambassador.
Yeah.
Then ambassador.
My upload on my YouTube channel.
Wow.
Before, now people were criticizing the girl. But me tena say me share content na girl me dey ba. And we said this is the real content. Independent. You go to my YouTube channel, it's uploaded there. And yet tena, I was said. We have to also promote it. Said the beya, Ubi who say or what the on your over house when AIDS and HIV. Or will be sentencing on death. But the lady at the said, so being Asia and Teresa Wabra, so being Asia, oh, a near man, obey my ya, obey long. What an one set example, separate. Even people were calling and telling her, say, only is a little bit, or you're too beautiful, so wire.
Sir.
Girl, make it a trans, but say, me and no HIV. I said, my so no HIV. Will look more beautiful than even people are on number one active. Or some make it of ABC or trans, he said, or before car, a could accident money, or be sooner malaria. It is so being Asia, any news. And now, the best option will be to sustain your life on the same. Must stress and free. Take your medication and feel free. Oh, it's the people what I do about. I didn't know what's in your support. What's your support to promote it? Say a bear, Obi Woji, when you are really beer. Uncondemned himself said, Opinia Biwo, a bontelot or fear. Umbun Wobon fear said the life has ended. But now, Obetre TV is one. Now, so for I better now say, no fool, the poison. So for when you say, or the yama, a man who grow mundimu, or Mobisia.
Obi, I want to come here back. Say, sounds of the course, I 7 o'clock. As I come with channel. Yes, because he said, oh, say, so we a public figure. Yes, all eyes are on you. Because me to a I think Metro TV and I say a presenter back. Echo Ghana security. Joint, I don't know, immigration, I don't know, a security zone B, which was, I don't know, soldiers for one BB camp or baby. I don't could try. Okay, the man and the lady, they were arrested. Okay, I didn't almost Ghana security, a public, and the Bema or before so Roma, now this man has given a tips. To a Montana will be only one more arguing money. One more free road to play. And at your own monocran. I feel was well educated. And we're going to cry out, person of us who Bama, or going to have a father who it is house of no grand and common channel. Yes. I want to come in London. Come, also, what the idea, what the other so come, when we say, no, make us we are public figure, Obia help. Yes. Jebe free one my babiano, any pafa. Yes. And none just swap. If you are, it's me one. It is a public figure. And yes, a woman assembly a day. If you were me a day, it's me back. Yes. Say, as some before woman, I say to me a tangible. Yes. What I say, you good reason. You reason up was so be great here. Waiting me up, was had back on life. Yes. Now, and you say to me, yeah, summer, Nippon tia. A bed dedicating Nippon to the arrow way. Yes. To the negative way. Because, oh, Casse, a man. Eddie, Bibi, your one from Ano. Na say, a man be moon, and a so basa. Obias and evidence way. This man, I agree with you, Reverend. The pastor must be arrested. I saw because he's infringing the right of the city. I some American. What does someone say? What people way? And my bad people should be inside. Because obi to work on him say yeah the other class every fast every oba you know from Ukraine say be man no grow it won kran afena we educate is hanipan. Yes. What does someone say? Afena what shop on him kena. Oh, intinka wo no bono ba bontin no kra bono. Enka nyesa wo be kasa asam no bo. What does someone say? Enka nyesa wo be kasa asam no bo. If you say evidence way. Yes. Evidence way. Oba no kwaya sa de na wo be man no win away. Ye be ye na ye dalai. And then Obana Casaway. what has some nase it ade bia ni nyina so bia no se nipa ne ka or the per high because Ghana ebi mu error e no mo dididie
ebi mu error no be still no before GTV and evangelist Steve and Aiden Komo
to mercy and because school God is international school patro se mu ko school mon sham no smas na mon fa mo hand sanitizer anko mon hwe OB4 GTV medamasi
sell it before GTV and evangelist Steve and and I just read the issue
sir
that was just by the way and the baby
sanity
yeah fine just right we have a prophet Ego
okay
a prophet a Ego prophet
sir
na sim bia obeka you find twem happen just by the way Ego prophet say lady force openya accident no
okay
the no be bisa say ada na edi phone stars of one na me omho ne amachirana and dum ko ami nye mente say prophet bi asem ko say sa akode e be ko abo echire shatawale be yi ana say ebony baba be yi ebony be nya accident we be wu sa akode be bra we be yi ada Ghana ya bo eduana
hwe obi
Ethiopia
say there be a controversial issues
yes
and I want them ma watie for
yes
Everybody nchira
amen
hwe difo bia obehye sebi sikeni obehye no enkom no something wrong with that person
difo bia obehye osikeni nkom bia na bibi ha
has had difo
ade tichire
medase oh say we ase no yes say
sorry ho ana na so kura ha wa adwen ya
oh god
koko diablo yanko
oh say obi
Ethiopia
asema uke on se uhye sikeni ana obi a oye star enkoma ye won a limit what asem na say
Ethiopia
ana obi a sabe oye hieni eno so ye won a limit na we no akoye se me nuanom difo bi mu no se ne na wo ka no
aso mo nhye nkoma
I say famous peoples
omo pe famous nkoma
he o so mo se eno mo ntakrase
eno mutubo
eno mo ye den
etubo
mu enti se me a me miti hei me ko hye hieni nkoma me se na me dina padia
wow
what ya se na say se me a miti hei me ko hye obi a oni sika nkom
na se nkom hye no ade ifruma dwum na e ba na ase
ale dia no na wa waka no
Yesu bi ebi na aka yero o se wo ni ade ngwa no se eno
na waka no
ene one maka
if se me ka e bi a reference of for won ti ase nti no na wa wa dey
maka
waka no it be say e si den ena difo obi o ye famous enko na ye hye no ko sa akode be isi Shatawale be isi Stombo be isi we be isi
but ye ne underground for the enka ye show obi an kom da
hwe me o me baby won kran e fe na alias mreku na ofrem na me ne di nkomo ana me ka kire ne say alias mreku me hu say wo chiri na me bo urade nyankopon pae say wo kwa ko ye program e wa bo chiri o say oh papa me da wasi pa me waso fufu me bre bi won krebu okuma ase nanso wo ne me papa
wakasa ase
wa hye me nkom
obi an ka hwe nche because
obi an hye me alias mreku nkom da
if you so on star
if you say apada ne star if you say sabe ne nine ai dai enye
onya collection ne sika na
me da ase wa ja sam na ase eti me share sakura ne nkom no akoda no so de to so say any odifo una we first person the second person so ye obi onu so odifo ye wo wachiri ba prophet Peter onu so wo ba na so
yes
onu so ka kire me say ohu say bibi wo ha me ya kwantuni ntimi nkoso nkuta me gidie mu e ma me tebia no emmu mabam na me hu se mu mienu mu call no e original
che obeja to because now no a favor of mu mienu a favor no do be me mo sha me kom na ka se obafo kire ogoi wo be kwa abirikira automatically be a favor me ntime dia to ko be sha me kom si aka ya obafo e kire be dia hwega tema wo be se be doubt in my mind I go there because I come no chef sir o cancer pamane cancer pama
wo hu se pan no ye to die ye wo cake die
bread
and ye wo tea die
bread
ye wo wheat
bread
medase wo ba wo fie na se wo no wo pena se mpa na wo pese wo no so pe wa se mpa na wo pese wo no hu se wo sabi awurade akire wa sa pan no we fine do I na batama no
man cake bread
medase sa na me nuanum bi mu ye
oh man cake bread
oh man cake bread
it's really a cake massive
uhu cake for na omo ho na
cake massive
enu na say o de man no
the cake prophecy
that is it what does that say sorry if you say wo ba ufie na o bi for GTV dey we si agidin ani apa na say wo koto pan no adradu bi at the 7 na obedi o but o pia bonti no kwa obeka say
me ko bofo pa na me si o man o yima no boy wonye serious kwa nko no hobi
what does that say
akọ no ade champagne obofo ne fie ho de
medase what does that say but sani pam cake bread na wo de man no mini hu misa say hefa na sabe agra wonya ne sika
yes wow
what point na say
necessary wo mini da dia o su dipa no nya the power free o de ga sa asem na kiro
what does that say it wo yes stand you will not think say sa prophet we a wo hye me nkom ne hefa eno nya ne tumi no ana wakoba bia ko hu mi wo ha na wa hwehwe bi mana
what is the prophecy bia no was ejitu
enye prophecy bia ne free Christo what does that say if we say revelation Satan give revelation
Satan nyankopon obonsam so ma revelation
that is the point
yes obi ti me so da ya no why you say oh me so da ma ya too sure nyankopon so ntwalo to
what does
automatically so too sure na say eba automatically no one say say too sure dey enyi nyame na ma sa prophecy
what does that say oh say me na me di kan say me say me adia man for mani ehu
wonyi ni
na sorry magedie eye Kristo wo
yes
mama meto what does say me beto say eye trusem na eden e da ho inti Kristo say me nyi sasem ni nie me fa sasem ni mo de Roma ne ma no mo so munya nkwa na me so me nhira na o ka so de ba no fa eden mama me inti anu no danse na say me eden midi na esi den na me ko fresh stone boy na me ko ka chere say stone boy we china ba sa kwa abuluchiri what does that say hwe adwuma bi wo wona nipa ne ya nipa ne hia nkom hye what does that say o hia motivation word
I said this is no prophecy ni nipa ne prophecy nipa je prophecy too much
o mo say ye adifo bi mu no ebi mu de motivational words na dey prophecy
evangelist yan ko den ko tie message yo
okay
ye ko tie message we ba
yo
ubehu the next topic here say
Matthew
I say the next topic say focus in life I say human wants are unlimited the emperor we are bia enemy nyaka o pelu play unya play o pe president unya president o pe we sa ntimo de mo me yenko go tie a philanthropy manner of deliver very inspirational message no okay I say the only thing in the here Christ. And then no really message then we will discuss you.
When I was young, I wished I was old. When I started school, I wished I was in the senior high school, so I worked hard and I got to the senior high school. When I got to the senior high school, I wished I was in the university, so I studied hard and I passed and I gained admission to the university. When I got to the university, I wished I had my second degree, so I worked hard and I got admission to study for my master's. When I got my master's, I wished I had a PhD, so I worked hard and I got my PhD. When I got my PhD, I felt lonely and I wished I had a wife. So I got married to my girlfriend. When I got married, I wished I had a child. So we gave birth to our first child, and it was a boy. When I had a boy, I wished I had a girl. So we got pregnant again, and I had a girl. When I had a girl, I wished I had a bigger mansion. So together with my wife, we bought a bigger mansion. When I got a bigger mansion, I wished I had a new car. So I sold my first car and I bought a new car. When I got a new car, I wished I had a different job that pays me higher salary. So I searched for a new job and I got a well-paying job instead of the first one I had. When I got all these things that I wished for, I still felt empty inside. So I decided to look for that missing piece of possession that will give me eternal fulfillment. I searched and searched, I bought several things, yet I was still feeling empty inside. Then one day, I met an old man, and I asked him, "Old man, what can I have? What can I buy? I have money. What can I buy that will give me true fulfillment?" The old man looked at me and smiled and said, "My son, all is vanity. Vanity upon vanity, all is vanity." It says it keeps raining into the sea, yet it is never full. The eyes are not satisfied with seeing. The old man said, "There is nothing in this world that will give you true fulfillment." I was sad. But the old man looked at me again and said, "If you want to find true fulfillment, then you need to have the source of life in your life. And the source of life is Jesus Christ." When I heard this, I searched for Jesus Christ in the scriptures. And when I got Jesus Christ, I did not wish for anything again, because in him, I was complete. Listen, nothing in this world lasts. Money will come and go. Possessions that are beautiful today will become old tomorrow. Everything in this world will pass away. Nothing would give true fulfillment. True fulfillment and completeness in life comes from having Jesus Christ as your Lord and Savior. Find Jesus today, and you will be made complete. God bless you.
Yo, me mo bia kwa baba obi for GTV. The name still remain on for back. Me ne evangelist. Evangelist. We are some. I did na unya bi ya no ame. Because you see how we me my car. Ubetwi car na be 3 months. Afi obehu V8. There might be a Toyota Corolla. Uchi ya go to be the V8 abetwa. V8 na see V8 there na afi da be na me da. Even President Akufo-Addo or baby big car for Addo. Unya even car for them. Big car with them in car we anka them. So cars are what them nya car accident. Mean economists for cancer say human wants are unlimited.
Sir,
until there's some now.
Yo, share mama from kwa Genesis. Wana Nyankopon fa so bo nipa.
Yes.
Wan fa ni bre. Amma nipa.
Yes.
Dabi. Awurade Nyankopon edi eniso wacha asem na se.
Yes.
Ena di bo nipa.
Yes.
Na babia sa eni bre honhom ne firi bae no na efiri Satan. Efiri se oni otumfo Nyankopon ekontokwa e wo soro ahemem ho. Wacha asem na se. O dansa suban na di e wo ho. Ena ye Nyankopon abufu. Ena to no hwe ase.
Yes.
Wacha asem na se. Iti ansana nipa nkasa kura ne Awurade Nyankopon edi nipa ba asase so no. Na bonsama kasa no ono kasa wadi ka lande dada.
Yes.
Me pa wacha asem na se. According to Bible, wadi ka lande dada.
Yes.
Ani tini sa ani bura no na e wo Satan mu. Ena Satan ebe emete edigu enipa mu. E wo the Garden of Eden.
Yes.
Me pa wacha asem na se.
Opa.
Ani tino wo mu se bra wo won na all convince if no.
Yes.
O si otumfo Nyankopon si dua wo ha nyina yetimi di bi.
Yes.
Na so dua bi na sim fimfini no.
I know the evidence.
Ene de ma yemfa yesanka.
Yes.
It is a wusha from the point of view no that trust them na na kyerɛ sɛ nyankopɔn de ani so honhom ɛna de maa enipa
ɛna bonsam de ahoya ne pɛsɛ me nkonya ho
saa na teɛ
right
ɔbɛstɔɔ ɛwɔ nipa mu
yes
ɛpatɛ wade asɛm no ase ɛne nti no awurade nyankopɔn san so ɛyɛ adeɛ bi ɔde adeɛ bi hintaa nipa wade asɛm no ase adeɛ ne yɛfrɛ ne sex awurade de hintaa nipa na bonsam ɛna bie so ɛma nipa huiɛ
ne sɛ duaba no na yɛ sex no ana
aduaba no was standing like a woman wade asɛm no ase
yes
duaba no a awurade nyankopɔn ka kyerɛ Adam sɛ ɔhwɛ yie no ne ɔbaa no nyinaa mfa mo nsa anyɛ dɛn anka no na ɛgyina hɔ ma ɔbaa
yes ada na awurade sɛ ɔbaa no yɛmfɛ nsa nka no anaasɛ dɛ
wo sɛ
na awurade sɛ yɛmfɛ nsa nka ɔbaa no anaasɛ dɛ
wahu sɛ twerɛsɛm no ɛyɛ huhum wote ase a ɛyɛ huhum
yes
wontim fa w'ani kan sei ɛne w'ahoɔdene ɛne wo sukuu ɛmfa nte nyankopɔn gye sɛ nyankopɔn de ka wo mogyam wade asɛm no ase ma memmoa wɔ ha kakra wahu sɛ awurade nyankopɔn yɛ biribiaa good ɔde ɔbaa ne ma Adam no wɔn sɛ sɛbi ɔde yɛn mɛma yɛ bolobolo edi dua hɔ ɛna ɔde ɔbaa no so deɛ yɛ dɛ ɛbɔ hɔ but wantwe Adam adwene nsi so sɛ adeɛ wei ɛbɔ hɔ yi se na fa yɛ ɛpata wade asɛm na se ɔde saa nneɛma mmienu no tumi ne kɔhyɛ dua nim ɛna ɔde sii hɔ as exams wade asɛm na se edi wohwɛ wɔ wɔn a ɔka kyerɛ Adam Eve sɛ hwɛ ɔboa nyankopɔn ɔboa sɛ wodi a w'ani bɛyɛ dɛn na wobɛhu papa bisa ho sɛ obi a sɛbi ɔyɛ virgin ɔne bɛrima ndaa ɔnya 20 years and a life te sɛn
ɔyɛ very clean very healthy ɛna wohu ne sɛ ne bibiaa ɔyɛ din noble ɔnyɛ basabasa
ne
ntaade hyɛ mu kora yɛ
mo na ɛtwa adwene si bibi so ɔhu sɛ yɛaka mpo no sɛ ɔbaa ɛmfa ne ho maa bɛrima yɛsi ne ntie
eni akata
medase ɛno na si ɛde no garden Eden
wow ɛno na si aduaba no sɔkɔdɛ na mo atwire si su na da bia no mo na anadwo no kwabra ne ntimi tuka from ha to Takora
yes
and throw wa from Accra to wa do se kwan ne wa abrande timi firi sika wonu za de ya na no firi ha na ko du temali o ko peton na atu na de ya na se o kwa ba ko pe 100 ontimi nkobio
sanity
no asaw that
esa sana
na ubuza ho se dia kwa na pe no wias
what asem na say intime babelande asem ni original one no so me pesa asem ni clement yefo what asem na say enu ntino hwede e bonsam ni de fa if so e de bae e de kaka ba ma
yes
enti ode ne sa ye den e ka duaba ne ka hwe na asem no kan ye
o se aduane de de
me da say
adie
mo
adie bra
me da say
mo
adie me da say enti bisa ho se omudi duaba no wie no bisa ho se nyankopon san ba kire omo se be kwan omo mfa so endi nkita ho ana
dabi
omoni na ye dai
ebie
enti duaba na ye dai
ebie o man wow
oh trust no we are in spiritually understanding the Bible version uni wisdom won't just
omunim ze apple yo bia koto apple kwan ho se apple ya na de apple ya na de bo ne ba ko wi ba yo apple na apple na ne bo ho
sanity enti o se enne kura no ba ma kura no sebe onya ne oba ko the first run say ai adi say come about na mini ye no grofo kan it happens in the Garden of Eden what you say na say and enti e ho ne start here
abintoko
mo
ase abintoko na ya de se na chada ba chawo
ntuni omudi bia wie no na bone ne ba hu se na jasa ade no kra ade ano kaka na kire se e kire se ye kabom wo de ade nje se ye dinkita ho ni enya bibia den e free mu what you say na say it is
na me bisa se na nyankopon wode esie no no mpese Adam ni Eve mbe wo ana because ade awie ene na de ewo beba sa na na ode esie wo no mbe do ma wo
hu se na nyankopon se wo oje wo ba bi di pa utumi di sika to for so ne be
yes
it's not say Bible no wisdom and
na se nyankopon no also Adam ni Eve ahwe
that is the point sanity if you say no odom
because one of our program so no na obi person so bi hwe
good
na odi ade share ne sem je never come out obi mami
okay
odi ko no sa akokoro so ma nkofo sa akokoro so se omo attack no
sa
no mu zanza ne illegal products
mo
sa de o hwan de ma na o hwe se o mebo ni pani
mo
enti ni pa ne ko no se mi amedia
sa
ne e be chi watu
sa
ko akode ntuwa nka ni pa kura obeya o mo kan ya to sense ko mo babo
no
o dina wa no hu se ni pa nan kasa ade no eye ne dia de ma no wa be dina
sa be dina
no wa sere no se no se wo
so
wanudu
so
because na me de so wa dina we fit
sanity
o person che se sana nyankopon person
sana na nyankopon efise se wo do bi a wo so ne hwe
yes
bia ne wo be ka se wo do bi no so ne hwe da
yes
what does that say
yes
bisa wo se ya so fofo kra ka se awade adwuma nso hwe ye den
ewum
nso hwe ne wo ni ye ado nyankopon do wa wa pa wo se kanasem e no de santo hwe ne be den e be so wa hwe what does that say efise o de nso hwe e na de share ni wiase o de exams e no de so ni wiase it is an wiase babia the whole world if an yen nso hwe
babia be before before we move from 1 to 2
sa
nso hwe ba wa
sanity
yes and they understand
it is also be here just open us
open answer
that is the point
because me so I did IQ level ne
dignity kuta sanity what does that say
yes messages be pre
yo
me kan bi kakra na ma hwe ya na asking for me kakra
yo
from Madam Kinsley or say I'm watching OB4GHTV OB4GHTV you are doing your work thanks to Evangelist Steve talking about Jabraja issue Jabraja need to be arrested
that's the point because we be point
Alex or say Jabraja need to be arrested it is out of stupidity the word too violent Richard say Jabraja need to be arrested hey I don't know be Jabraja
yeah sanity
dynamic Benjamin or say human wants are unlimited and whatever you get you will still look for more so that is our nature okay Luis or say I'm enjoying the program and talking about Jabraja issue Jabraja is crazy which is not a pastor okay at your own point of view Boatin or say I'm watching OB4GHTV Jabraja is crazy don't mind them they are using social media as hype Kwabena or say Jabraja shouldn't be entertained on social media your platform is too dignified to entertain such nonsense I don't like that word na nonsense yes yeah Benjamin was I'm enjoying the program and Jabraja I didn't know Jabraja I said message in Benjamin Jabraja because I said no kind of serious
I said
who because
I said what the guy is you be so
yes
share
Rebecca or say Jabraja is crazy Sami Devi or say I'm watching OB4GHTV today your programs are very educative pastors of today some of them are doing the God's work truly and others are fooling sorry fooling them so I'm on to say no pastors will be here adwuma ni the most of them are very close to me me call Manjanya me say they are doing God's work truly and some of them too are playing because where person who true man of God open you see humility who say nipa we wo brase or jo or do but the other content who say or have too violent say hey me say and we in the class and we such people so they are not true because nyankopon na me yesom no or your jo or your do
sir
yeah
sir
Reverend Yankona message na endorse no
yo what you say na say inti hono na woman wants no ni nyina bonsam de ye de be tu ni pam na bonsam be bie yani what you say na say oni na be ti yani say he duaba na si wono enu na mudi amubenya mfa so wo mubenya mma wo what you say na say inti nyakopon boa odi esi wo say duaba wo wudi pe he adam wo be do ba ma e be hye ifase na obanyem no botore so botore bi na obehu papa ne bone owa wonim pa se bia wo dia obeso no Nyankopɔn
o dede
what asem na se enti e hono na bonsam no ye den eye ma ne ye den e foli woni pa so enti sisi ano enipa ye wo hwei no abeye nature me pat what asem na se na nipa ne e wo Toyota Highlander or perfofro yes because omo won say me so say apple kura nso ye dey nso togum or perfofro say na wunya stuffing chair ade bechi o sim ene se nka menya akonya bi a betimi agigi adem say ya
ka me comfortable
what does am na say yes na nipa etie yes what does am na say but nipa ka crave ni timi yi sa spirit ni free omo
ahoma so spirit
sa eni bre no enipa kakra bi netimi yifro hu enipa se we Kristoni a enye se wo ma wani bebrade
yes
e wo mi se enipa de ade bi obenya bia wani nso na so se wonya na wo hweso yie a
wow
etimi buawo
wonya na wo hweso yie a
etimi buawo
yes
what asem na
let's say ade enipa pa hia wa abrabo mi ne de
Kristo
ne so ne the motivational speaker ne ya ade ya
ne ya den
ade enipa hia no ya abrabo Kristo because Kristo nkwani ade a wonya na wame
wo de bisa ho se obi a wanya sika pa o ye sika ni tam onam na se ne ka e ko hwefoma man of no
ofre ida so be free fie no mam de ka afofra ba
o be Jesus
ampa
what
ampa mi wa ma se mo ma ya se bi konfuo bi no mo tikam na ka ni konya accident na we na kai ba mne dani no biye kan de Jesus konfuo tim sa mo su Jesus
mo it means
Nyankopɔn di bi mo obi
unya Christ kane e wo brabo and sana Christ mom na wunya ewu na se wo try so obehu ni more
yes
what does that say onu mom na se wo say enipa okay yesi Kristo no man yesi Nyankopɔn no onu mom na se nka wo okay obi say Jesus obehu man enye so man so ba
Reverend Jesus be woman was on man to her and you are so when you be walk by ya so dem ma so say and you go say start twitwam
oh
oji ahiafo oji ayarefo Yesu die onsemo oji ahiafo oji ayarefo Yesu die onsemo tanwe evangelist Uzuzu say was here delete free. Ya no na to wa so ase sabi ya enum bia ase ya anwene ho na to ye bi se.
O say ye woni pa mu asase so o. De bia me pese etiefo ne te asem na ye kana se.
Because me hu de ta me ka say me hu nwum ne say ase nwum no am wa Christopher.
O say ye wo gospel bebre na wo man yi. Me pat what asem na.
Te bu aso man nwene ho ansi.
Ya wonum bi ti say ewiase mo hani pa nyina besan ko wachiro. Wo beto no waso dem.
Besan ko wachiro.
Me say wo beto no waso dem.
Asasi su ha.
Wo beto.
Me nim so be soru.
So your friend say
worship.
What asem na.
So be the worship me kwa ni wonum no. Star be si atona so dem. Ewiase mo hani pa nyina besan ko do we no worship no ni. Ewiase hani pa nyina.
Ana Nyankopɔn ka se no anwumo de se me je na me de ma awufuo enti nwumo ne bono he
yes
enti gospel na ka se wo no Nyankopɔn na ka sa ye selection wom wow I'm telling you it is a spiritual
enti enwumo no nyame ne selection a
because
that luma no me mbo na so dem da me nkwan dan nyina betum ji
sa me kire wade
yes be bono
good me ntwa no o se anwuma e wo man mu nyina no enye ye nipa no ene ye yiyim yakasa nwum de ye mba na so dem what does someone say nemu konkron na nkasa timi yi nwum no
because me nipa me body brother Sami ni nwum na ho boza me busa Sami to get say boza ye be body hen boza no ye be body hen
ne bi o na
okoya no ne lunch
o ti na so
ya za nwum ne lunch na wo ye no boza we area ye be boza no wa hen aso dem man na say yes because who go jina dem no ade yes boza gberu amusa anyu
o say Kristo ni mapa bia no o pe anwum ato open anum etia your gospel ewo man
Yes.
na emom no ko the book of Psalms
Yes.
but what you na say
Yes.
me
The inspirational persons be to say Adam Reku.
good
Mark Abraham.
sir
Daughters
me
of Glory Jesus.
papa bi wo your friend no Akwesi Edward Akwesi Boateng
Yes.
me ba wi ase no nyom ye me de chen
Oh, me papa no help.
Me da se
program e kro he.
me papa mi tia papa mi tia
Me de lesson e man da bia
me ba wi ase no me ba wi ase no
Edward Akwesi.
ne nyom ana ma me sa kira ye
Yes.
papa me si ade bia me hia de bia me kwa koso se papa se wo mpa ma se me kura me a reference team me si me pa wa se me si ne nyom
Yes.
ana ma me ye de me sa kira ye
Edward Akwesi Boateng. Ne nyom da bia am ka se o momfa evangelist ana se Reverend Edward Akwesi Boateng title on the man because he deserves it.
hwa Thursday ya me te papa we enyo
Makoma suadie.
me si
Makoma suadie.
me ba wi ase makoma me ba wi ase me ma ye me de o ma bra bom
Wase makoma suadie ni sen.
me na ka mo wi ase
Me kwa urade fie.
makoma de din konkron no so aye me de ntimi no
Wase we ni makoma suadie.
what
We
is
ni
that
makoma suadie. We ni makoma suadie.
evangelist urade shira
Suadie. Yesu so biza ho se ene asofofo na ma ba enum we kura mo mpe na suadie.
me dia me pe me si me asole urade nyankopon de na me so e ba na e den Bible church
Yes.
what you say we da ne urade yi kire me you say ha makoa fa sa asole we fa bra wi ase because eno na me de share wi ase ase e den true do e to so fa e den Bible church fa bra Ghana man
And back to me question no.
good
Me say enum we end deleting free.
me si anum bi wo ha ye ntwam
Because the American was say oji ayanfo oji ayarefo Yesu die onsemo agrada
o mu say anum
agrada me question no agrada e was say Christopher said seriously or a problem of Christianity
mamenka asem bi nkyira wadi
yes
asem we oba me ne te ana ko betimi abedi adanse e wa asem we that was me fan say 2017
yes
ana me share sa ma me agrada we hu ko
yes
me ka me bible na me dey asole
Yes.
me share no kom kire me yere
sesay
say imiri be baba ma me agrada ba me say oye nyankopon nipa
oye ne nso
wadi asem na say
mbere bi beba obeka se
oye sofu ba oye prophetess oye evangelist. That was 2017.
Yes.
Me yera me nete ana me kan asam ne kire me yere na ngie ndi
and
da inti ada me ni nyina ti TV ho Jesus Christ
and oji wudi
ohun ye no ana ka kire me say sofo asebu ya wo kan ya che 2017
me so me be hama me so me prophecy on my program obi on the obi for Jesus mu dey go down video ni bi wo o si doom prophet ni go down good video bi wo me ma sa prophecy say
good
agrada ni reverend osu bemba omumi yenu ombesa turn out to be enemies one way pa
sa
one way police case kura bebe
sa
because agrada ya one person on obi eni agwo Emma asumbe at the end of the day na asumbe moment.
Share. Reverend. Ye wo gidi ni. E ye wo nyankopon adwuma ye ni.
Yes.
One way obi be da da. Say o ye nyankopon nipa, but no ye gidi ni. Enso no ye adwuma ye ni.
Ususu say agrada say why disappointment to Christianity.
Afena wa be di Kristo atum. What you say na say? Afena wa be di Kristo atum. Ito ye gidi ni. But o ye nyankopon adwuma ye ni.
Yes.
I'm telling you the fact.
Until I didn't know the title of evangelist in a man.
What say?
I didn't know the title of evangelist in a man.
Na oman mu yanko Bible school oman we mu.
No, I call Bible school.
Me say yanko.
You call.
Me ba de watia say yanko Bible school.
Yes.
Na Bible be him fan ya twere say say yanko Bible school and say yanko kwa afro.
So what is that question?
That is me trust say.
Maybe we say agrada nyame na friend na say ono na friend.
Ayo ne ne yanko pon.
That's a question more na go am question.
Dabi. Oh say ye ka say ye wo baby wa kan ka say say obanyansafo.
You would be
on ka say wo breboni. anything na wode sa akwa na semba ye na e ka che say mama chi no what is some say it is a way a man of God obi betimi ato asem bi ama wo but I say wo manyankopon honhom no it take place
because also was such a na say ofre soft me de minim de o me ba de o ma bi on kwa wasi
yo
wo wajimi twasini abofunu wono nkura nre no nkraman no fresh Christian
yo
what I know is a fresh Christian ka fi krifeni wo cha na no ojo and that day no oh that bra but no na wo funu say o say ko to ga bi bidi tina na ma bo mpaye de cha na ma bo ma bre na wo twa bi tu we be fresh na no di at
good oh say your legend Emily Biba na wo program your friend legend from production
yes
medase say the name de pa the word legend enibigi ye ko school
yes
na abada ye dinu so
yes
what you say na say any what dey be friend original bia no e natural
legend ndi okusua
me be ka say mitina me be kire wade no
yes
oh say obi bo ha of a legend blessing what you say na say it is a me masa so fu wedness after so bom paye dia
onim sa so fu no agene din
automatically
ono so be ko
sa enkrofo so be sa agene di mo
yes
it is hard there let me go this place let me go this man of God so that you pray for me then people will believe it what you say na say because of the charisma ne kuta sa so fu na the dignity na high
yes
and any this house of nature a dozen e dia den tina men ko sa so fu we ho na amfa ne sa nya dai entom so or a legend so I need a legend blessing inti ni pe bi wo ha only legend
unsusu say ye ni asofo na ne to be a problems man because say osofo betena social media no or can mimi dini reverend e bia no aba me kwa me wusi me ma so ne de so brana me yew me di afiri akwambo ni yar boni obuo yare bia o su brana me ntuma ensa ya de ma
hwe true man of God bia no nya na abatu hu din but what asem na say enya na abatu hu din efise nyankopon do ba wi ase no hwana tu hu din
so papa
me da say what asem na say ewrade de wo ba no enya wo na wo tu hu din title nya wo na wo ma ho title ye wadwuma bi a yankase ye ma ye ho title
na se wada ba se o ka se nya wo na to hu din se wo free efunu ba na anya reverend but we do as so dey the title have a fat title na ka no so
ene na me kire wo say title no ye wo anipa bi mo ho a o mo no mu pagya to o mo so what asem na say
na ne se ye papa mo o ma di nyamedwuma nu ko atire no mo na the title no beto so
sa ne tie
internet se e bia me ye adwuma na me ye adwuma ne frem kenken kwa na ade amam so bia evangelist kenken kwa
unwuma be di wachi twere sem ne kan what asem na say your good works will follow you o say ken kun ebel no no wo muna nanim ewrade say ha ada no wo muna wani basasa what asem na say o say wo ye nie ya wani good ka wani be nya ana me say wan nye ne ye nti o say wo fra wani what asem na say nti nipa bia mo say wo ya de papa ye bo wa bodi ni papa
yes
enye wo na wo bo mo sapohene
yes
me pato wa asem na say
Matia se pa
I was mo say want asem a emu du
Matia se pa enje futu be na de be ma pastors na
enti me de afutu am de be ma me nuanom asofofo odifo prophetess ni ade ne say embo mo sapohene enkope di ni bia fanto ho so forget about a thing apostle one Debbie
subu ha o say me what I know is say bishop
sa
your sofo na what it is sorry ya
sa
a day bishop no e your title
Sa
automatically you are a bishop
sa
and to see a flow be a bishop
Sa
you deserve it
oh no
me ma konta
sa
or a bishop
sa
because only or what it is sorry yan gas obi na kire say yan gas we own church
sa na tie
titia sorry
sa na tie
or two friend na friend bishop JK Afrifa
sa
o deserve that name
no correct
yes
what you asem na say
na ye wo bi susu or evangelist
sa
or no kanya mi asem
sa
akwase ewura
Sa.
evangelist akwase ewura
Sa na tie.
title I would deserve
sa
but obi wo ba ye na Obeba pata. Fia bio. O nipa miensa ena owu.
Sa.
Oba ena obegina. Apostle Dr. Bishop Ofoli Ambofo ena e ka say.
Mo. Oh say, me ntwa no.
Title go ha. You don't deserve it, but no man fat one.
Oh say title bia was.
Agrada ba here or say or evangelist mama part 1. No, one different. One is that.
And then I me tell say one no na dia to no ho so. I feel say what master na basis so.
Yes.
Fine, evangelist mama part. No problem. What does someone say? Because you be him say over fat trust ma kan nyame answer.
Yes.
And also say bia obetimi akon bi da achi achira no problem. What does because also you have na masini. Now one different. And what does someone say? One different. It's idea bia yanka say peda to your musu bia nicknames.
Nicknames.
It be so that for say not me nickname to.
That to so. Open title bia eburu.
I make say e ma yem fa nicknames nya den. And to your so kwa.
Yes.
What does someone say? And you trust someone say human kasa be den. E be do wechi. It is a human na wo ye no. Say we deserve title na. What does someone say?
So we deserve title no dia. You get it. I'm always telling everybody say maintain no. Maintain grada. Me penasa. Like in the attitude, I hate it. When you say you, no man, you man, was about it. Maintain grada. So Michiano 1 and 1, I may in 2. My friend, Mama Pat, sir, because we're free to be a bit more about new. And a Christopher, we should welcome her, but we should be very careful with her attitude. Tiasanam, Monsieur Christopher, young welcome in, but we should be very careful with her. No attitude.
Sanity.
Because the new beer near Kate in my cemetery.
Sanity.
Who are an antia, Yanen and Antessa, and Kate my pension, sir, because Sandy Pan and I need to, sir. I got out that problem, and I need to, sir. And one new beer, Nante pet, none of Bufu say, Kim, no, started around her, may make me 1,000 years. The beer won't make you come be a secret, sir. In Pia wanted that, open the matem, young cook. I will never open my mouth. That is because oh, can what the word be cross bit to us here, sir. As someone they can't do, sir. Manenka me new me, sir.
Yes, to Christo Crackerby.
That is a bomb.
Yes, move yanti.
Yes, that is a that instant no, sir. One of my papa, yes, I say assembly and move beyond and Japan. So don't break it.
Don't break the law. The covenant.
But wait there. I rather than move you na no about whoa, and now we'll go far away by and I can say, and I say, make us a Christopher, Monja Grada and Phantom. Nanso the attitude, when you're very careful with it. Sir, before Jesus, the name still remain above for back of many evangelist Steve and the General Yabon Common program was sponsored by John B. John B. You can't say John B. John B. One of mine. John B. Will be a 2 ball. Yeah, once and never do out and be a pipe on you. Now, been so cordial, no mamma, tower. What's up? Or red John B. The number they go down the screen or so. John B. I can say a man who will be too. Come up. Yeah, plumbing working now or plumbers obey or plumbing works in now. Yes, a toilet or flash and ash. Nina obey in a special way be in a conducive way be a while whom I won't say yes. Fred John B. or home at Truffy Gracias. Nah, friend, I will be there. Prophet, back to the question, the last question now. Yo, the same branch and what's only the party I can answer on many branch and what's
I don't was as David, many
I didn't branch and what's
powerful. And you bet me, I catch you say, you go school. You shall see free say, class 1. As I never say, class 2. It do your class 1 year pass as a man.
So I'm not training in Kaeliga.
What say?
Eliga.
Dear foundation, I ought to. Now, dear, who be and move forward. And now, would you go no record? What say? Would you go more to grow or record? I may say, and young Quasi as a move. What does I say? Because, sir, me talk for one, I am Quasi as a. Now, said that phone me told you I made a matter. Mo, but phone is a down one fana. What's that? Eddie phone bogum. Now, who come back? Oh, cell phone. Say that phone, I made so mentors me cell phone. Mo, and I was saying, you know, before for a bar, or because of phone in Yamon, and to one talk or better phone for front. You now, a sit then, I didn't back on, son. If you say, oh, be a young keke. Me but what I say, I'm breaking it down. And you woo and I wouldn't panic dink it. And why a day? What you was see? I am mere dear son, ya did me. But what I say, say, wouldn't you be a samasia and get dinner keke?
I'm actually different from you.
I son it here. But what? So I can say, rip me and was your summer, like a metanasi. But I'm breaking you wouldn't panacasa. If you got a spot to go, what's a cut off our right to come and my day? I'm a lady. What could be an amanity?
What a right answer.
Oh, yes, Jack. Only my 2010 Cote d'Ivoire for Omopam Ghana for Nigeria for.
I didn't hear.
No more Mrebu, almost say sweet me. Sweet me. Indeed, the only say, Sir, Nigeria from South Africa, man. Omo Niska or Memman ho, a memman in Chia. Indeed, the only say, Tensi the Grana, Omo the Coturbiani. No Mummy in your day. Omumi in your deep. But Ghana for Nigeria for no cohon. Na Ghana for it to me iska. And South Africa for ma. And a memman who say, hey. Mumba and said, Mubati Yamanini, and I said, Munko, Mufri Uncle. Muba say, sweet me, no. What has some Nazi? It is sweet me, it's an emphasis. What has some Nazi? If you say Nipanati, I say. And I want you to animal. Muhim Subai. What has some Nazi? No woman is a movie woman, dear, at the morning when Yanko Poncham.
Say, I'm not different from worship. Worship the ammonia, then pressure there. Moving you.
Oh, you mean it now? Besides, I mean, now, been at home. But that I can't the woman in the end, is with free. I know they will move.
Was it a young Quasasam?
I know Quasasam. Isn't it to be young Quasasam? Huh? I am Quasasam could be on fat. I am Quasasam could be on fat.
And there's a man of God, and Bradley was a man as a young Quasasam.
Oh, T. Say, be a Yamini Papa Temprana. Yamini Papa Temprana. Make me say, Yamini Paddy, and yes, say, Overtrain and Pana.
I saw the bear.
I saw the bar. Oh, I saw him.
That's a Bradley, baby.
Maybe, oh, say, you are Symbia, Nissan, the sequence is here. Say, Bia, Ebia, Mima Solomon, and Ebia Nipane airtrain Panadia. Make I tell you, say, Umfraps on Munya Day. Uncle, no, Champana will be a sort of man. And yes, I saw for no honor, and I saw Timmy solid dinner. Now,
now, so for the kind of necessary preference and your papa.
Oh, dear, Mamma Trawadia. Almost said, name Quasia 7, the word in Quasia 7. Ah,
good. What I said, and was a 7 and young was a 7. Name and your papa. That is the point. And I want to see a picture and I say, and Prancher your papa. More better than young was. It is not, yeah, I was saying Quasia 7. Oh, shit. Because Quasia 7, excuse me to say, first, I never had the boy, maybe. But, Maka say, we yes. Me pat what has am go for we be fine. Sanity. Madam God bless you. We be fine. Sanity. Nyam kwasi asem mum. Righteous say we be fine. Because obi o wa say be onam mpratwe so. Na odiedie wa brabo. Me pat what has am na say. Obi o anem mpratwe keke. Kura no otimi de kwa buruchiri. Wow. E de be hwefie. Says go say we be fine. What has am na say? Yeah, madam dia odi baba betwe bia. Baba odi. Kojo dia Waria Gusuri, more let us see. And this I am quite a 7 because I'm profitable. And why a legend? Baba, I suffer. And so, why you be on good boys of what is it? Or do you be hard or spare? I dear young Quasia Sam, we are sepa a pecum. Yes. But what has I say? And then a young Quasia Sam said, Yamia Bonnet cry. Yamia Bonnet cry. What do you see me could not watch? That is the point. In the obi or say again, or your pasia. Anyone who destroy things. After what your seminar says. Fancy be Reverend, who you want dear come no be about say. Yes. I don't need a lawyer pasia. Maybe I don't need to say cry. It's only because I am pasia. But in practice, dear, a year me need good. A argument to be a day me no yentema ya feeling na ya to say obi aka asema kire what bo no what ya to asema wa kan wonya day on kan chiro bi that's the point agreement ya win ni ya win aya sanete ne kire ne timi yem kwasa asema ni yi aya kwasa asema se be yem kwasa asema e gina wo ni pa no so ana be ma yem kwasa asema ma wo ne afutu be na de be ma yutu afutu amede ma yutu ni se
se upu obabi na se wani gye no ho a hwe ne suban kakra
na ya twempena
me se hwe ne suban kakra
na kwa ba na be foto hwe ne twuba
ohun se ewiase no ye se nyansa ne ba ko fotinim edo mo se banyansafo ho ye buni be
ye nka na se
me da se enti hwe ne suban kakra
na me bisa sa kwa ba na be foto hwe ne suban
oh ko ye be foto hwe ne suban de fine enipa no ko ne fie a usuro se krama be dey
abayo to be ba fie
ano no so ba wu fie a usuro so wo ni police be dey
aba che no
etu betimi afra ne phone so wo ni na di mkomo woni ade on de metire no sa na de oh ho te sen
besra me kakra na me ade
oh se obetimi aba besra wa bi boni bi ensima boni bi entimi emma mpata wada asem na se
se ne petru de nka
hwe me wo me godfather bi wo ha ne e fa no Everett Brad Kwesi me ogide pa say o hemi one na mre bi comment we program bi mpa ohun say ono no se ne na ositie no me ka say me kana sema ade be chi me da say obetime ni oba shadam the whole day boni bia no be dey emesi
me nature no
me pa what asem na say
adam aduaba de man wa mu ni de ane
what asem na say ko pem chama obi be say na adwene wonsam be say adam adwene ansa na o go dey
o kaare
sa de dey
no we no hu say aduaba ye de
esa
ndi if de aka ne sa fa mama
so enti obi be fa oba no ba na wakofa no na ye mpana no se be kanya se bi kitamo oni de bedi wo mpana so na e fra na mpana no se bi ese mo me hwe woni yi se wo mu oba wa bontin na wo se ne pe na o te wase a wa ja se mo na se eno na ye de
na ye bone
eno na ye mpana no
eno na okay yes wo sia
o se eta me tro se e hi program a obi etie yai enti de bia pese me tie for na tie asem na si
enti mu tie no mo fam comment emra down
sanity
na mo fam adwenkyere e ma yesi nyansa ni ba akofo
sa
enye me nko na mo da ni mbie ni nyina
sa
wo de beba yeso ye de beba enti ye kabo ma ne ye nya fa ma
sanity
ntia watiefo ana wanu nyansi
me fan say me wi anesa
and wi anesa na chia
yo ene e mechia tiefo ne menamfofo revenue obofo bg4 GATV edini de agiba bia
obi4 GATV number 1
sa me
ye kwa YouTube channel ye de e be say 100% Christianity ade a ebebua na me adwuma ade a ebebua man Ghana
wow
the fan pass say no chance
en ba na me amechia me am godfather Everett Brad Kwesi Ewade Nyankopon nhyira wo ba bia wo me am bra kwada so prophet Peter na amechia wo frani okesi amechira odifo bia me nim wo Ghana ha bi o ye madam fo bia na Ewade Nyankopon nhyira ye nyina
Ewade Nyankopon nhyira bia dia amechia madofo ne matamfo ne maniafo ne mabeshuafo ne lebusuafo ne obia come kasa mbogo di na bedos yes Apostle Dan, God bless you. I don't know what to say. Salon before the name remain before. That's a name. But subscribe to the channel or before GTV and you'll be blessed. Stay blessed.